What is going on, everyone? This is Chris Walton, your favorite real estate agent. I am coming at you today from home. It's a rainy day. Usually I'm out and about, but it is raining, so I chose to do a video from home. Here we are. I want to talk to you really quick about VA loans. I have my firm put two rental homes up for rent on the market. And a lot of calls have come in about hey, is this available? Some from different types of people. A lot of the individuals calling are military, relocation from either another area and they're moving here, being stationed in Norfolk or Langley, but they're looking for a home for rent. So me being me, hey, we have this home available. We could help you, but I'm also wondering, hey, have you considered using your VA loan? Have you thought about buying a home? Is this something that you're interested in? And a lot of people, they don't know that they have the benefits of the VA loan present. So I just wanted to make a quick video just saying what the VA loan is, what it does, how it can help you, how it can benefit you. Just education. So stay tuned. Today, that's what we are talking about. What is a VA loan? Well, a VA loan, also known as Veterans Affairs Loan, is a type of mortgage loan that's issued by private lenders and backed by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs. That's where the VA comes, Veterans Affairs. A mortgage loan, of course, is a loan that's used to issue a home. So mortgage, a loan directly used to buy a home. VA loan is a loan issued by a private lender that is backed by the Department of Veteran Affairs. Now, the VA loan has been around for quite some time. It was first introduced as part of the GI Bill in 1944. It is a benefit that was created to honor those that serve or have served in our country's military. So it helps United States veterans, it helps active duty service members, and it helps widowed military spouses to buy a home. In recent years, VA loans have become more and more popular. In the first quarter of 2019, 8% of home purchases were made with a VA loan. Now, why is this such an attractive option for homeowners? Well, a VA loan, one, it's pretty easy to qualify for. And two, it does not require a down payment. That's one of the main keys, the main benefit of it. Most conventional loans, they may ask for 10 to 20% as a down payment prior to purchasing the home, but a VA loan, it does not ask for a down payment at all. You may pay initiation costs to initiate the loan, but that is nowhere near the amount of 20%, 10% down payment for a home would be. How does a VA loan work? VA home loans are one of two non-conventional loans available today. They don't work exactly like a regular mortgage you get from the bank because VA loans are guaranteed by the government, so backed by the Department of Veteran Affairs like we talked about earlier. Guaranteed, this means that the government will pay a portion of the loan to the bank if you don't make any of your payments, or if it goes into default, or if you may face losing your home to foreclosure. Since the banks assume less risk compared to a conventional loan, which doesn't back any of the loan, VA loans are relatively easy to get. In 2018, the Department of Veterans Affairs guaranteed 610,513 purchases in refinance loans using the VA loan. What are the requirements? So in order to get this loan when you're looking to buy a home, military personnel have to meet the VA specific service type criteria. There are certain requirements. Generally, you're eligible if you fall into one of these three categories. Category 1. You're an active duty service member or an honorably discharged veteran who has served 90 consecutive days of active service during wartime or 181 days of active service during peacetime. 2. You have served more than 6 years in the National Guard or the selected reserve, such as the Air Force Reserve or Army Reserve. Or 3. You're the spouse of a service member who died in the line of duty. If you were to go through the application process, you would need a certificate of eligibility to show the mortgage lenders that you qualify for a VA loan. You can get a certificate of eligibility through the VA's website, by mail, or through your lender. Now, what are the pros and cons of the VA loan? Now, some of the pros or some of the benefits of this great loan, the first key one is that you can buy a home with no down payment. VA loans, they're one of the last zero down payment loans available today. In 2018, around 50% of homes bought using a VA loan were bought with zero down payment. Another benefit, the second one, you don't need to be a first-time home buyer in order to use or get a VA loan. You could be a first-time home buyer, a second-time home buyer. As long as you pay the VA loan off each time, you can continue to use the benefit again and again and again. Now, another great benefit of the VA loan is that there is no minimum credit score requirement. Some lenders typically look for borrowers to have a credit score of about 620 or higher, but with the VA loan specifically, they don't look at just your credit score. They look at your entire financial profile. Some conventional lenders, they might zoom right in on your credit score and say, hey, this is exactly what we're looking for. With the VA loan, they look at your income, your debt to income ratio, your credit score. They look at everything as a whole, not just one sole thing. Now, in addition to these, there are other great benefits that come with the VA loan. For example, you don't have to pay private mortgage insurance. There's no prepayment penalty if you pay your loan off early. There's no limit to the amount that you could borrow with the VA loan. And then bankruptcy and foreclosure won't permanently affect your chances of getting a VA loan. So there's tons of benefits. I want to talk about the cons as well, and what some of the cons are to getting a VA loan. Now, some of the negative things of a VA loan, though you do not have to make a down payment, the VA loan does require you to pay a funding fee, which can be between 1.25 and 3.3% of the loan amount. So it's not a 20% down payment, not a 10% or 5% down payment, but you might have that funding fee. For example, on a $300,000 loan, the fee can vary anywhere from $3,750 to $9,900 for a $300,000 loan. So it all depends, but you may anticipate having a funding fee when using the VA loan. In addition to that, only certain types of properties are eligible for the VA loan. Vacant land and co-ops do not qualify for the VA loans. Other types of properties, they may be dependent on the lender's approval. I hope this information helps. I put some links in the description below to connect for more info about VA loans, as well as how you can apply and where you could benefit from them, all that. I put it in the description below. If you have any questions or would like me to make any other videos addressing specific topics in housing, the real estate market itself, just please leave a comment below or let me know. Check out my other videos. Check out the last one I made, and have a blessed day. Just enjoy your day. Have a great day outside. Get active. Subscriber spotlight. I want to do this new thing called the subscriber spotlight, because I watch tons of YouTube videos as well as you do, and assuming people you like and engage with do as well. So I want to do this new thing called a subscriber spotlight. What that is just me shouting out a channel that I watched or something that I learned from, or somebody that I know who has a great channel. Subscriber spotlight. That's what it's called. So more to come. There might be one this one. We'll find out. Have a great day. Chris Walton, your favorite real estate agent. Take care.